700. Like this one. I'm not against with this. This is, I love it. I start with this one. So if you cannot afford the 760, I have 400 for you. But if you cannot even afford, I don't know what to do to you. So it's better you choose which one of this one. So let's say you don't have budget for 760. I don't mind as long as you get it. So you have 400, you purchase. So how many you need? You need 9 for your friends. You have all your friends and family purchase and you will get 3,600, right? So for you able to be a diamond, you need to spend $4,000. You're gonna be diamond. You understand? Anthony, is it clear?
Yeah.
Very clear.
Yeah.
So I want to finish your diamond chip as soon as possible. So Roberto, once you're already diamond, the money is already coming. So let's say you invite the beautiful lady Jay, no? Jenny? Jen. Jay. Is that your real name? Jay? Huh? Jay. Like K, right? So Jay has so much money. He didn't even wait. She purchased right away 5 of these. So you spend 3,800. Because once you spend 3,800, you're gonna be diamond. I love to be a diamond because I wanna wear a diamond ring. So you became diamond. So how much Robert will make? You know that Roberto will make $1,200. You can get girlfriend now. So I'm gonna make 5,000. It's good money. Of course, it's good money. So you think Jay or Robert 1,200 for you is an extra money?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. That's a good margin, right? So this is the good news. Roberto, do you have another friend named? Your other friend, where is he?
Oh, he has to go pick up.
Okay, let me just see. Let's put his name then. What is his name?
Alfonso.
Alfonso. So Alfonso has only $400. It's okay, but he has so many friends. So end of the day, on end of the week, he became diamond also. Nice, you have 2 diamonds now. So how much money you will make with it? No, 1, 2. Because you made 1, 2 on the first one from Jay. The second one from Alfonso, 1,200. How much money you already make? Half of your is already 400. Amazing, big money, right? Well, this is the beauty of this prize. If you invite 2 persons only, you have Jay and you have Alfonso, the company will give you additional $800. It goes to you. So how much money that you make for 2 persons that you know? 3,200. I think it's quite enough money for an extra. 3,200, Tita, is a big one, right? Well, this is my question. Roberto, let's go back to you. How much money you put? For your personal.
760.
For your personal, because you purchased this one.
760.
But if you want this, 400. But you need 9 people, right? But if you have only this premium, you need only 4. So you invested 760 for your personal. You sold 4. And then because of this one, you become diamond. And Jay became diamond. Alfonso became diamond. And now you will make 3,200. Is that a good business? To be honest, even you will serve a lot of drinks in the Excalibur, you're not gonna make money 3,200 in 2 days. Right? But here is so easy if you will have a lot of customers. Let's continue. You think Jay wants to make money too? Jay, you want to make money? So let's say you have so many friends, big time friends. Someone, opo, Ate Delilah, I want you to pay attention with this one, please. Just give me only a few minutes. Because please, I don't want you to talk to you next to you. Please, only go ask me if you need something, because this is very important. If Jay, someone purchased diamond right away, same as rich like you, so you will make 1,200, not Robert. So whoever is sponsored for the diamond ship, she's the one who's gonna get the sponsorship bonus. Is that clear? Okay, and Alfonso has so many friends that you don't know. He enrolled also on one diamond in the right side. So Alfonso will make how much? 1,200. So what will happen to you, Roberto? Are you gonna make money here?
Yeah.
Technically, you're not. Because you don't know this one, you don't know this one. So why the company will give you money? But the company is very generous enough. The company will give you additional 800 for you, Roberto. So you already made 4 grand. You think the people under you is gonna stop? No way. The minute the product is really good, they make feel better every time. Every tool, Roberto, that you don't even know, you will make $800, 800. 10 things, you make 8 grand, infinity.